going to be as like today, very interactive. So can somebody just tell us what he or she learned about financial statement yesterday?
Yes, in my own case, it's not just about certain key points that I picked. It's a complete change in orientation.
Just tell us about it.
Initially, before I came for this training, I had a very myopic, as in when I say myopic, extremely myopic understanding of what a financial statement is. Initially, I used to think a financial statement is you just go to your bank, print your statement of accounts, and all those your transactions, and that's all. Yesterday, my understanding of financial statement was really broadened.
Second, we have our net. So that's the first question, the pre-investment evidence. Now we have our net annual savings of each project and combined. So we start with each project first. For the solar PV, the diesel savings for solar PV is 700 million. Then our whole and hem is 100 million. So the net savings is the diesel savings minus whole and hem, which is 600 million. Then for our wastewater plants, the net